But it's like breathing that fresh air.
What a wonderful world.
We are now on our way to Utah.
East.
Let's go.
State limit's only 20 miles an hour. I can't tell if we're high or low anymore. Earlier my ears were popping like crazy.
Hello, my hat is crooked. This is probably the first Utah vlogging thing that I have. But we're in Utah. We made it. That drive was brutal. That was very long. But now we're here. I'm gonna show you. Okay, I'm good. Anyways, see you inside. Guys, I'm just trying to get to my hotel and just naturally chilling in the vibe. Our deer. This is really heavy. Hello, dear. Okay, goodbye.
What? Here, you try.
A few moments later.
Besides this faulty door, room tour.
Because we totally could not open it.
Look how nice this is. We have a desk, 2 big beds, a TV, me, a very nice bathroom, and a surprisingly large closet. Like, it's a walk-in closet too.
Holy shit.
Hello. It's also very warm in here. Outside, it was freezing cold. But yeah. And we have some deer friend outside. So. All right, it's time to go. Last night in Utah, which is also the first night. Last and first.
First and last.
We're gonna go to Zion for one hike and then make our way down to Arizona and then back to Vegas. Lots of driving, but I'm not driving this time. Ready? All right, it's about time. We're gonna go head up into Zion now. We had to get some food and use the bathroom and get some souvenirs. But let's look at the view one more time. I'm super excited to see what's in store.
Oh, I should wear my mask.
Look how pretty it is!
Ticket or at the zoo. I guess it can go anywhere. That is beautiful. This is vehicles only. Am I a compact vehicle? Oh, it's a park. For what reason would you be parking?
Views right here.
Oh, is the overlook here? Is that what you're telling me?
No, I'm not telling you that.
Yes, it is.
Oh, it is.
Oh, then I have to. Oh, that's okay. I have to find parking all the way across here. So,
Okay. Hi guys. So we currently are kind of lost. We missed our overlook trail. We both have no service. But right
we're
now,
lost in driving. I might end up in Arizona. I don't know.
so we might not have any hikes for Utah. Might.
I just need a park and I need service. But
Yeah,
you know
there's no
what?
service right now.
You guys could probably be laughing and be like, well, duh, you're in the wilderness.
Nope,
Learn how to
nothing.
read a map. Listen, we have a map.
We have a map.
But
Yep,
the map
yep.
is cut off.
Yep, it's cut off. It's just cut off. We'll see you guys next time.
So we U-turned at the very end where it was exiting Zion Canyon because then we would have ended up in Arizona.
Wait, be prepared. Why? What? Mountain lions?
No, there's always a case of...
Not where we live.
Actually, there is.
But
Well, what are you saying? You don't want to do this because there's mountain lions?
I'm down to do it.
Oh, okay.
Bro, mountain lions.
So we're doing the East Rim Trailhead. There you go. Let's take some looks.
Was it Parent Trap? Where's them sticks? Scare off the mountain lions.
But we're on an not unknown trail. This is an actual hiking trail, but it's just the two of us, me and her, and we've never done this before. She freaked me out because she saw an animal posting sign, but every hike you do has an animal posted sign. You know my number one thing is fear. Why would you do that to me? This girl, I can't understand. Hi, buddy. Of course, Lynn and I would choose the most sketchiest of trails in Zion, the least popular one. And so now we're playing this very safely because we're both nervous people. Me more than her.
You're worse.
I'm super nervous. Any sound, I'll freak out. That's because she got into my head. Christmas tree, lots of Christmas trees. Big boy Christmas tree. minus the noise Lynn and I are making, it is absolutely quiet out here. Like, there is no noise. And it kind of freaks me out. Watch, 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 watch. Shh, shh, shh. Absolute silence. Did you hear that avalanche? Sounded like an avalanche. I didn't see it. We made it to the 1.5 mark. All right, ready to head back? So, but at least we did it. We hiked through Zion. Might not be the most popular one, but we did it. Oh, yes. We found the bridge to Terabithia. Time to go back home. Parkour! You want a log picture? Unless there's an animal in there, never mind. I did. Hello, we are almost done with our hike. I decided to sing to sing a song for the National Tree Park. I mean Zion National Park. Ready? I forgot how the song goes. Tree and creature. Oh. Here's a nice leaf. And there's my snowman. His name is Olaf. And he likes warm hugs. Wow! Can you believe her?
Yeah,
The audacity. My hands are cold. You did, Julian. It's snow. Thank you. We did it, fam. We did it. We're finished. It's time to go.